Hello everyone, welcome back to the Digital Tutors. If you're looking to create consistent and professional brand image, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we're diving into one of Canva's most powerful features, the brand kit. Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or just someone who wants to keep their designs cohesive, the brand kit is your best friend. So, what is a brand kit and how can you use it like a pro? Let's break it down step by step. The brand kit is like your personal brand manager inside Canva. It helps you to keep all your brand assets, your logo, brand color, and fonts in one place, so your design stays on brand and consistent. No more hunting down your brand colors every time you create something new. The brand kit makes branding easier, faster, and much more professional. To get started, you'll need canvapro, as the brand kit feature is only available for pro users. Once you're in Canva, head over to the home page. Then look at the left-hand menu and click on Brand. You'll see the option for Brand Kit. Click on that. Here you can change brand name. Next up is your logo. Canva lets you upload and store all versions of your logo, full color, black and white, or any other variant you might have. Click Add New and you can upload logos. Or you can link existing folder to brand logo. Once uploaded, your logos are ready to be added to any design with just a click. This is perfect for your business as you won't need to manually add your logo every time you create a new design. Just drag and drop it from your brand kit. Let's start by adding your brand color. These are the colors that represent your brand and will be used across your designs. Click on Add New, select Add Palette. You can either search your color and select or add custom palette and pick your colors from the color wheel. You can add as many color palettes as you like. For example, if your brand has sensational colors or variations, you can set them all here. Let's see how you set your brand fonts. Fonts play a big role in defining your brand's personality. In the brand kit, you can set up your brand font to ensure consistency across all your designs. Under brand fonts, you can set your font for title, heading, subheading, body text, caption, and quotes. Canva offers a wide variety of fonts. Or if you have your own custom font, you can upload it here too. At Brand Voice, you can describe your voice or how your brand communicates with your audience. Is your brand fun and playful? Or it is serious and professional? Your brand voice helps set the tone for all your messaging, from social media posts to email to product description. If you are a law firm, your voice would be more formal and professional, using clear and concise language. Canva's brand voice feature can help you generate text in your brand voice. For example, you can type, "Write an exciting copy for a banner" into the Magic Write dialog box. You can also use the Try Your Brand Voice in a design to generate something like an announcement or even information. In Canva, you can reflect your brand voice through text, styles, templates, and even the type of images and graphics you use. Choose designs that match your brand's personality. Similarly, you can add photos, graphics, and icons. By understanding and choosing the right photos, incorporating the right graphics, and selecting consistent icon, you can create designs that truly reflect who your brand is. Now that your brand kit is set up, whenever you create a new design, you'll find your brand colors, fonts, and logos available right in the editor. Just click on the Brand tab on the left panel while editing, and you will have quick access to all your brand assets. This ensures every design is consistent with your brand identity. One of the best things about the brand kit is how easy it makes collaboration. If you're working with a team, you can share your brand kit with them so that they can access the same brand assets. Click on Share Brand Kit. Invite team members to join your Canva account and they'll have the access to the brand kit. This ensures that everyone on your team uses the same fonts, colors, and logos, which is the key to maintaining brand consistency across all your content. And that's it. With the brand kit, you're not just creating designs, you're building a consistent professional brand that people will recognize instantly. It's perfect for maintaining that polished look no matter who's working on your designs. So go ahead and start using Canva's brand kit like a pro. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy designing.